Assalamualaikum grade 4. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture of English Oxford. So open your book at page number 54. Unit 11 Life Saving. Unit 11 Lesson 1 Listen and speak. Read the story and answer the questions. What's the matter with Parveen? What's going to happen? Students, this is a dialogue. As I have told in previous lectures, a dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. Here in this dialogue there are characters Mrs. Burki, Saira. Mrs. Burki is telling to Saira about the ailment of Parveen. Parveen, who is suffering from kidney disease. Mrs. Burki, Saira, I am really worried about Parveen. Saira, why? What's the matter with her? Mrs. Burki tells to her that she isn't well. Then Saira says, do they know what's wrong? Mrs. Burki, yes, she's got a problem with her kidneys. Then Saira goes to the hospital and she asks Parveen about her health. Students, you have to read this dialogue very carefully. Now I am going to start question answers of this chapter. Answer these questions. What is Parveen's problem? She has got problem with her kidneys. Who is going to help her? Her twin sister Zainab. Is Parveen's sister Zainab elder, younger, of the same age? She is of same age. Which of the sisters is going to have an operation? Both of them. You have to write these question answers. You can write on the book as well as on notebook. Grade 4. Now exercise 3. Listen to your teacher and fill the information about Parveen on the hospital. Family name is Mumtaz family. First name is Parveen. Date of birth 12/4/1996. Male or female? She is a female. Address is /flat number 14, 128 Nishta Road, Karachi. Telephone number is 5259-632. Grade 4. Now open page number 55, Unit 11, Lesson 2 Words. Match the words on the right to the parts of the body. Here I have written the words according to the parts of the body. A is forehead. On the B is chin, shoulder, elbow, hip, knee and ankle. Complete the sentences with the words from exercise 1. My cousin has grown a beard on his chin. My teacher says I should practice my piano exercise with loose wrist. Long boots are better for you as they support your ankle. We always wear pads on our knee when we go skateboarding. The principal stood looking at me with his hands on his hip. The hikers carried large red bags on their shoulder. I could tell how worried he was by looking at the lines on his forehead. Sally didn't know the teacher was looking at her until John nudged her with his elbow. Grade 4. Now open your English grammar book at page number 46, Unit 14, Contractions. Remember students, when we contract words, we make them smaller. Contractions are shortened form of the words. We use an apostrophe in place of the missing word when we contract a word. Now we will solve the exercise. Write the following contractions in full of your notebook. They have, can't, cannot. We have, she is, shall not. Who would, there is, could not and you would. I do not understand history. I don't understand. You have to make the contracted form. He cannot, he can't. Mary does not, Mary doesn't. I will, I'll. It's, let's. Students, now on page number 47, change the contracted form into their full forms in your notebook. I can't, I cannot find my socks anywhere. Stella has not arrived as yet. Some of the guests could not eat because there was not enough food. They have packed enough clothes for the holiday, haven't they? I shall come with you after I have finished writing this letter. Now in exercise C, copy the given conversation in your notebook. Write the full form of the contraction next to its bracket. The snake's gone. Snake has gone behind the bush. I am very scared of snakes, said Anna. What if it comes out and bites someone? Let us call the gardener. Maybe he will be able to chase it away, suggested Jane. Do you think it will be there till we find the gardener? Asked Anna.